Find the 20th term of the arithmetic sequence that begins 12, 16, 20, and keeps going, going, and going. All right, so again, we're going to look for the 20th term of the arithmetic sequence, and once again, that starts with 12, 16, 20, and keeps going, going, going. Now, the big thing about arithmetic sequence, folks, is there's got to be the same distance between the numbers. So let's take a look at this problem and see if, first of all, that is really going on here. You move from 12 to 16, 16 to 20. They wouldn't lie, would they? Those are 4 units apart, and that's the idea. The next one will be 24 to 28, and so forth. Now, we can count. We can count a long time, and many of you are out there already doing that. I know. You're counting all the way up to how many times do I go? Well, remember, this is the first, second, third, and we would want to find out what is the 20th term in this, all right? Now, we have a nice little cookbook formula, all right, for you, and let's take a look at it. It says the nth term, which is, by the way, what that little a to the n is, it says it equals to the first a, we know that, that's 12, plus n minus 1 times the d. D is the difference, the common difference. And of course, we can't figure this out unless we have a common difference. So these all must be the same distance apart. It's like counting, in this case, by 4s, all right? If you're counting 5, 10, 15, 20, you get the idea. That's a sequence, and it's arithmetic, all right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, keep going. Arithmetic. You're changing your differences too. Here our d is 4, and we're looking for n. By the way, n is the 20 there. So what we're going to do, we're going to plug in the numbers. We're going to substitute what we know, and I'm just going to give you a little flavor for this. There we go. A to the 20, the 20th term, all right, the 20th a, we'll get it right in a minute, equals our first a plus, now n is 20, because that's what we're looking for. So we're going to take 20 minus 1, and then our common difference, there it is 4. Now some people wonder, why do you put that n minus 1 there? Because you're moving past the 12, all right? So in other words, you're going to add 19 more expressions, and that's why we put n minus 1. You don't include that one. That's why there's an n minus 1 there. So 20 minus 1 is going to give us, did I say 19 minus 1? It's going to actually give us 19. By the way, the first a, 12. This is going to be 19. The difference is 4. And now we are ready to solve this thing out. What is our 20th term? It's simple arithmetic at this point. Remember, order of operations says we multiply first. Don't add 12 and 19 first. Go for the multiplication first. That's going to give us 12 plus the big old 76. And you know what? That 20th term is 88. 88. And basically, it's simply saying we're going to add 19 more times, all right, to this 12. And that's exactly what we did. That's what we did to move it forward.
For more math help, visit TNLearn.org.